Get grammar. Where were you last night?
What's up, Max? I can't find Hammy. He wasn't in his cage last night. Was he in your bedroom? No, he wasn't. And he still isn't here. Hammy? Where were you last night? I was worried. Were you in the garden?
No, I wasn't. I was with my friends.
Were you at the park?
No, we weren't.
Were you in the kitchen?
Yes, we were.
Oh, Hammy.
Look and learn. He was in your bedroom. Was he in your bedroom? Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. They were in the kitchen. Were they in the kitchen? Yes, they were. No, they weren't.
Bye!